Hello everyone, welcome to day 21 of 30-day challenge of learning Tableau from scratch. And in today's video, we are going to talk about functions in Tableau, different functions that are available. Now, what happens is not everything that we need to show on the dashboard might come directly from the database. Okay, so sometimes we might need to derive values based on existing fields in real time. So to do that, we have to create a calculated fields or derived fields using existing fields. That can be done by clicking on this arrow mark here, and you can click on create calculated field. This is the first option. Okay, and you can name this field whatever you want, or the second option is you can click on any field in the view. Okay, and go to create option, and from there you can click on create calculated field. The difference is when you click on this, when you click on any field and you try to create a calculated field, Tableau will assume that you are going to use that field in the calculation field and write something. But it is not mandatory. We can write by removing that as well. Okay. So two options we have discussed. You can either click on this, or you can click on the field name and you can do. And I think from analysis also you can create using create calculated field. So option is up to you, whatever you feel easy, whatever you feel convenient, you can follow this. Okay. I usually go from here, click on this and create calculated field. Now, based on what is coming out from this field will be decided, like, what should be the data type. If number is coming out from this calculation field, it will be calculated as, a measure. If a character or that type of information is coming out, then it will be treated as string in nature. If 0 or 1 is coming out from this calculation, then that will be treated as a Boolean value. Now, one very important thing that we need to write is always think that, what do you want this calculation to return? Okay, always think about that and always try to, write comments in the calculation that will make your calculation easy. Like using two forward slashes, we can write any comment, and anything that is coming after two forward slashes, Tableau will, treat this as comment. If you want to write multi-line comment, we can do that as well. So I'm just writing like this. Uh, Comment. Okay, there is also a way where we can do multi-line comment. Okay, I'm not remembering right now, but yeah, there is a method. But yeah, the important takeaway from here is you need to write comments in your calculation that can make, your code reusable. Now, based on different use cases, like whether you want to, if at all you are working with, one second, if you are working with string type data or character data, then you can use string functions. Okay, if you are working with numeric data, then you can use number functions. And you want to write logics, you can use logical functions, something like that. Now, if you observe on the right side, these are the list of different functions that are supported by Tableau for us. Okay, so by default, it is categorized as all. But if you click on this, these are the different types of functions that are supported. We have number function, we have string functions, we have date function, we have type conversion, logical, aggregate, user, table calculation, and spatial. Okay, so if I click on number, these are different number functions that we can leverage and solve our problems or issues in the real time. We can use string functions and use all of this and solve our issues that we are facing in the real time or to derive something. Same likewise date functions. So for us as developers, all of this are important. The more you know, the better it is. Try to learn at least 5 functions a day, so that by the end of the month you will be able to learn about every function. So for us, logical functions are very important. How you write logic, how you are deriving logic is very important. So all these functions that you have here, they are used in concatenation with this logical functions. Okay, so I have already created a detailed playlist in my channel. Okay, so each of them are very detailedly explained with multiple examples. I would request all of you to go through these videos one by one. Maybe in this 30 days challenge I would not be able to cover, because this itself is more than 7 to 8 videos we have. Okay, that itself will take 30 days, but I want to focus more on calculations next. So that is why I am not covering this in detail, but I would encourage you to focus on this. This is very important. You'll not find it anywhere else in the YouTube. So please complete that, and after that we will start learning about the calculations, and we will see few of the scenarios that will help us learning more about Tableau. Okay, so with that said, no, that's it from my side in today's session. I hope you have learned something new. If it does, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and have a good day.